We've been working with Karula for over 5 years now, and over the last 3 years in particular, they've worked tremendously to improve the relationship between the managers and the learners and ourselves. And they now have extensive knowledge of apprenticeships, how they run. They're very supportive with our learners. They support the off-the-job training hours and celebrate learner successes through rewards internally within their business.
My name's Victoria Horse. I'm the Learning and Development Manager for Karula Group. We are just so very proud to be a finalist in the Paragon Awards. For us, it's a testament to the work that we've done to build relationships, grow our partnership over the past 5 years. And to win this award again would be a fantastic achievement for Karula, as we're a huge advocate for apprenticeships. The award would demonstrate Karula's dedication to growing and developing our talent through the use of apprenticeships.